Srikanth, Ideal Chemistry. In this video, we are discussing about optical isomerism of compounds without chiral carbon atoms. So some of the compounds can show the optical isomerism, but even in the absence of chiral carbon atoms, those compounds are allenes and alkylidins and biphenyls. The compound like allenes, alkylidins and biphenyls shows the optical isomerism even in the absence of chiral carbon atoms. What are compounds like allenes, alkylidins and biphenyls shows optical isomerism even in the absence of chiral carbon atoms. So we will discuss one by one. So first I just take the allenes. So allenes, the compounds of allenes having following type of structure can shows the can exhibit the optical isomerism. Suppose if the given allene having structure like, so these type of structures in the allenes, which compounds having these type of structure, those are optically active. So these compounds are optically active in nature, and the compounds like so the allenes having a structured formula like this, those are optically inactive. So in the allenes, which compounds have these type of structure, those are optically active, and these type of structure optically inactive. So for allenes, I just give some examples. So I just take one example, that is so this is one example for optical active compound. And when see this compound in the mirror, we get the structure like, so these type of allenes can show the optical isomerism, and those are optically active in nature. So the both mirror images are non-superimposable, that's why they are optically active isomers. So I just take one more example in this category. So I just take here C triple bond, so double bond, and C double bond, C2H5 NO2 and NH2 C2H5. So when you see this compound in the mirror, it shows the structure like, so these two compounds are mirror image to each other like this. So allenes having this type of structure can exhibit the optical isomerism, and those are optically inactive. Okay, this is about the allenes. And next we are discussing about alkylidins. What are alkylidins? So when you see the structure of alkylidins, the alkylidins having structure like, so this is a general representation of alkylidins. So when alkylidins having structure like shows the, so these type of structure, or having structure like, having this type of structure can exhibit the optical isomerism, and these two type structures are optically active structures. Optically active structures. So here I just take the one example. For alkylidene. So the structure like so this is the example of alkylidene shows optically active substance. When you see this structure in the mirror, if you see this structure in the mirror, it will be present like in the mirror it will be present this side. So this is the mirror image of a given compound. Okay, so when alkylidenes these type of formula or optically active substance, they can show the optical isomerism. So these are the mirror images of given alkylidene, and those are non-superimposable to each other. In the last case is biphenyls. The compounds biphenyls. I mean, when two aryl rings are connected to each other, we call as biphenyls. So the biphenyls also can show the optical isomerism. So if you see the structure of biphenyls and the biphenyls, the general formula of structure of biphenyls. So this is the structure of this is we call as biphenyl. So when the biphenyls having a structure like this, those are exhibit the optical isomerism, and those are optically active nature. So this is a optically active biphenyl structure. So now I just take one example for biphenyl. With this I will complete this. I just two compounds. So in the biphenyl having structure like this, this compound can show the optical isomerism. So when you see this structure in the mirror, it will be present like and this is the mirror image of a given compound. Okay, so in biphenyls having these type of structure, those are optically active structures and shows the optical isomerism. Okay, and next one more example is for this category. So this structure also can exhibit the optical isomerism. So when you see this in the mirror, it shows the structure like so these are the structures can show the these are the structures of biphenyls which shows the optical isomerism. So the compounds like allenes and alkylidenes and biphenyls having specified structures can show the optical isomerism even in the absence of chiral carbon atoms. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.